Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a step-by-step process how you can set up your own LLC in Maine. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing company which is going to help you set up your own LLC in no more than 10 minutes. So let's start. First thing you want to do is just click here on LLC, and then you're going to see start your own business with confidence. What do you want to call it? I'm going to call it Stone's Company. Check availability. Now you need to enter your state, so Maine, let's choose it. And when we got it, search. Now it's going to, like, if it's already available, it is. Now I will just add here my email address. In the end of the video, I'm going to also share with you the effective processes that you can do for your business and how you can actually increase your revenue. So you will like it. So just hold in the end of the video, okay? Now, when do you want to launch? Soon. And here, launching a new business, life-changing move. Okay, continue. Is Stone's Company for your first LLC? Let's go with a yes. If it's no, just press no. What will Stone's Company do? And you just write here what is your actually activity. If you're a construction, florist, consulting, or travel technology. Continue. Will Stone's Company have employees in first year? No or yes. Again, you choose that. And then essential services for Stone's Company. By law, you will require a registered agent. Also, you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. See essential services. The first thing is legal required. It's like have a registered agent. You can also appoint a different registered agent, but LegalZoom is going to solve it for you, so you don't need to actually worry about anything. So continue with the LegalZoom. Now here, save time and money on your essential documents. Operating agreement, this is like the first thing that you actually need. This costs $100, or you can choose operating agreement plus ein. So there's like, without it, you can actually file taxes and open a bank account. So I recommend going with the middle one or the last one, which is like the complete coverage. And they are going to also solve all the licenses for you. So if you're going to open a restaurant or something, right? Local permits and licenses. So just choose the middle one or the first one, doesn't matter. Oh, it matters to you, but you know what I mean, actually, that I'm just this like a tutorial what you should do. Then you're gonna see business services for Stone's Company. See business services. Now the first one is legal protect, that you can have actually like 30-minute conversation with independent attorney on any new employment or legal issue, or 30-minute consultation for legal advice on any new issue, like what you should actually do and how you should act about like employees, etc. You can take the trial, but you don't actually need to, no thanks. Then you're gonna see here total compliance, fail to stay in compliance. So this is good. They will help you set up all the compliance, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And one thing I really like about this is this, that if they miss anything, they pay the fine and they pay the penalty. So you can also take my included trial. I'll click here, no thanks. Then you're going to see the package here. You can actually choose between three. You got the economy, you got the standard and express gold. I recommend going with the express gold because they are going to create a company in 10 business days. And then there is one thing that you're going to have is a 7 days a week, lifetime customer support with LegalZoom, get help when you need it. And that's something that express gold offers, and I think it's good. But you can also choose the economy version, which is going to be 30 business days. Again, completely up to you. Now, when you click here on Express Gold, you're gonna see it here, Bank of America, you can like create an account. No thanks. And now right here, you can see it here how much it's going to cost. You can also change the product here to like economy or standard. And the price is going to change. And then just like click continue to checkout. And now you just fill everything here. And then you just pay it and you're good to go. They will just send you email, you just process some informations and your LLC is going to be created. Now, it's really important for you to like share this with you, only because I'm seeing plenty of entrepreneurs who are starting, who are micromanaging everything. They are micromanaging accountancy, they are not outsourcing anything, they want to create LLC by themselves, and then they won't even start a business. I mean, they won't even start earning money. And this is the most important, how to be more effective in earning money. It's not about like using Google ads, Facebook ads. It's all about you. Let me explain. What you need to do is this. Plan your days in advance. So in the evenings, plan your day, what you want to do tomorrow. Plan your day, what you want to do next week. Then, are you a morning person or an evening person? In which part of the day you are the most effective? Use that to your advantage. Everyone is different. I'm really effective in the morning. Next, when you wake up, you're not going to have a chaos in the world. You're not going to have a chaos in your own life because you know exactly what to do. You just have it in your Google Sheets, you just have it on your paper, what do you need to actually do, and then you just do that. Disable all your notifications on a mobile. Disable all your notifications on like your PC that no one can actually bother you. This is really important because you just want to focus on work. The next thing is eat something like healthy on a breakfast. Don't eat like always sugary, creamy, I don't know, breakfast that you're going to feel tired after it. You don't want to do that. Really, it's like if you don't eat sugar, you're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna have so much energy you can't even imagine. You don't need even to sleep like 8-9 hours. It's enough for you to sleep like 5 hours. Trust me, it's crazy how effective we can be if we eat more healthier. Now, to even continue, what you need to do, and what I recommend you to do, is to, when you don't have the distractions and you don't use, the goal is this. Try to set up, okay, so you get like 10 hours of work every day. Let's say 8 or 10 hours, 10 hours. Now, when you got it, for 10 hours of work every day, you can make, I don't know, this type of amount of content for 10 hours of work and this type of quality. So my right hand or like left hand on your screen is a quality. So 10 hours of work will get me this amount of content on this kind of quality. What is my goal is in what way I can increase my content creation to this level with the same amount of work, with the same quality. That's the goal. And you can only achieve that by actually minimizing the stuff which is not healthy for you. Like, you don't need to read and watch news all the time. It's pointless. You don't need to be on Facebook and replying to everyone all the time. It's pointless. It's useless. You don't need to do that. Just focus your time on a business, because if you focus elsewhere, that grows, and social media is not going to give you anything. Like sharing the posts on Facebook is not going to be anything. Everyone's going to forget that in 1 month. But if you like create something meaningful in the world, people are going to watch it 1 year later, 2 years later. If you're gonna do the right sales, people are gonna have some value. On social media, you're not going to get value. Everyone is screaming on social media. It's pointless to use that. So just keep in mind this. And then the most important thing is a rest. When you're gonna rest, guys, those 2-3 hours a day, or like 2 hours a day when you rest, don't think about work. I can't stress this enough. The one mistake I was doing when I was working and when I was like resting, I was still thinking about work. And I don't recommend doing that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.